Right now, inside your chest, your heart is performing one of the most important jobs in your entire body. Every second, it pushes blood through thousands of blood vessels, delivering oxygen to organs that cannot survive without it. But imagine something terrifying for a moment. What if that constant beating suddenly stopped, even for just 10 seconds? The human heart beats more than 100,000 times every single day. With each beat, it pushes oxygen-rich blood through an enormous network of arteries, veins, and tiny capillaries. This constant circulation keeps every organ alive and functioning. One of the organs that depends the most on this constant blood supply is the brain. Although it makes up only a small percentage of your body weight, it consumes a massive amount of oxygen and energy. Now imagine the heart suddenly stopping. In an instant, the powerful pump that moves blood through your body falls silent. The circulation that every organ depends on begins to slow and then stops. As the heart stops, blood no longer moves through the vessels. Oxygen that normally travels with red blood cells can no longer reach the tissues that need it. The brain reacts almost immediately. Without fresh oxygen arriving from the bloodstream, brain cells begin experiencing stress within seconds. Oxygen is essential for producing energy inside every cell. Without it, the brain cannot maintain the electrical activity required for thought, movement, and awareness. After several seconds without blood flow, the brain can no longer maintain consciousness. This is why people can lose awareness so quickly when circulation stops. As oxygen disappears, every system in the body begins to struggle. Muscles weaken, organs slow down, and cells switch into emergency survival mode. If the heart starts beating again quickly, circulation can return just as suddenly as it stopped. Blood rushes back through the arteries, carrying fresh oxygen to organs that desperately need it. As oxygen returns, cells begin restoring their normal activity. The brain regains electrical signals, and the body slowly stabilizes. That small organ in your chest works non-stop every second of your life. Every beat pushes blood, oxygen, and energy to the organs that keep you alive. And without it, the entire body can change in just seconds. If you want to explore more incredible things happening inside the human body, make sure to subscribe and stay curious.